Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to resolve the issue of the DoorDash app not letting you place an order. Solution 1. Operate the DoorDash app. To start, ensure that you have the latest version of the app. Open the App Store on your device and tap the search icon located in the bottom right corner. Search for the DoorDash app, and if you see an update button next to it, go ahead and tap it to update the app. Solution 2. Clear the app cache if the problem continues. Go to your device settings, find the DoorDash app and tap on it. From there, tap Offload app and confirm your choice. After a short wait, a reinstall button will appear. Simply tap it to reinstall the app. Solution 3. Completely reinstall the app. If that app doesn't work, you may need to uninstall the app completely. Follow an on-screen instruction to navigate to the app page and select Delete app to remove it from your device. Once it's installed, go back to the App Store, search for the DoorDash app, and click the Get button to reinstall it. Solution 4. Contact customer support. If you are still facing the issues, it's time to reach out to customer support. Open the DoorDash app and tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner. On the next screen, tap Get Help. Now, from there, you can tap on FAQ page, which will redirect you to the customer support page. Here, you can find the help that you need, and hopefully, a DoorDash representative will help you resolve this issue. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more.